Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, October 8, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How are you today? I see you beat me to the coffee machine again.
Good morning, David. I'm doing well, thanks. Just need this coffee to wake up. The meeting this morning looks long.
Yeah, tell me about it. I'm already tired just thinking about it. This coffee is strong today. Did you try it yet?
I did. It's good, hot and black, just how I like it. You take yours with milk, right?
Always makes it taste better. Anyway, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
It was quiet. I read a book and walked in the park. Nothing exciting. What about you?
Oh, I watched a game with friends. Soccer, you know. It was fun, but now back to work. Speaking of which, did you catch the news this week? There's some interesting stuff.
A little work keeps me busy. What caught your eye?
Well, let's start with this trade news. It's from the Wall Street Journal, October 5. The European Union put new tariffs on our farm products. Like, they added taxes on things we sell to them?
Tariffs? Yes, I heard about that. It's on U.S. cheese, wine, and other farm goods. Farmers are really upset.
Exactly. The article says it could make food prices go up here in the U.S. Because if Europe buys less from us, we have more supply at home. But wait, no actually, it hurts our exports.
Right, it's controversial. Some say it's fair trade, but others think it's unfair to American farmers. It might start a trade war.
Trade war? That sounds bad for business. As a sales rep, I deal with international clients sometimes. If prices rise, they might buy from somewhere else.
True. In project management, we plan for stable supply chains. This could delay projects if costs go up.
Yeah. Imagine our team ordering supplies. Everything gets more expensive. I don't like that.
Me neither. Do you think the government will respond? Maybe with their own tariffs?
Probably. The president might talk about it soon. It's all over the news. Farmers are protesting already.
Protests? That makes sense. They work hard, we should support them.
Absolutely. Okay, enough on that. It's making me hungry for lunch already. Now shifting gears, have you seen the tech news about Tesla?
Tesla? The cars? What happened?
From CNN, October 6. They rolled out a new software update for full self-driving cars, but there are big safety issues.
Safety issues? Tell me more.
Well, after some recent crashes, people are worried. The software lets cars drive without a driver, but critics say it's not safe yet. They want the government to add stricter rules.
I see. Self-driving cars sound amazing, but safety comes first? What if something goes wrong?
Right? I read about a crash where the car didn't stop in time. Scary stuff. As a sales guy, I sell to people who drive a lot. They won't trust this yet.
In my projects, we test tech a lot before using it. Tesla should do the same. Rushing can cause problems.
Totally. Imagine if our office cars were self-driving. I'd be nervous getting in one.
Me too. I'd rather drive myself. It's more control. Do you think Tesla will fix it soon?
They say they will update again. But trust takes time. Elon Musk is always pushing new things.
He is innovative, but safety matters. Society needs to adapt slowly.
Good point. Now, one more news that got me thinking. It's about social media.
Social media? Like Facebook or Twitter?
Yes, from the New York Times, October 4. Platforms now have to add fact-check labels for election misinformation. It's a new rule to fight fake news.
Fact-check labels? That's interesting. Why now?
Because elections are coming and there's a lot of false info online. The article says it's controversial. Some people say it limits free speech.
Free speech? Yes, that's a big debate. Others think it's good to stop lies that confuse voters.
Exactly. In the office, we use social media for marketing. Fake news can hurt our brand if clients see it.
True. As project manager, I check facts in reports. Online, it's harder. Labels might help people know what's real.
I agree. Remember that viral post last year about our company? It was wrong, but spread fast.
Oh yes, it caused a meeting. We had to correct it. This could prevent that.
Definitely. But some say big tech controls too much now. What do you think?
It's a balance. We need truth, but not censorship. Society is changing with tech.
Well said. These news make the world feel small. But hey, our coffee break is almost over.
It is time to head to the meeting. Thanks for the chat, David.
No problem. See you later. Have a productive day.
You two talk tomorrow?
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.